The show begins. Who's that little raccoon? Hi, raccoon. What are you up to today? Walking through the forest? Doing your raccoon thing? Sweet. And then all of a sudden, what is that up there? Oh my gosh. It's a land shark. Boom, 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 boom. I wonder if he's friendly or not. Oh, he is friendly. Oh, okay. That's always a good thing. I guess they're pals. And raccoons like to eat fish, so they must be going fishing. There must be a lake somewhere nearby. Wonder if there's any other animals out and about. It seems pretty cold. Ooh, it's an alligator. Wow. I wonder if he's friendly or not. Oh, he is. Most excellent. And crocodiles like to eat fish too. Wow, you all must be going fishing. Alright. Wow, that's pretty high up there. It looks like the lake might be frozen. I wonder what other kind of frozen things might be up here at the frozen lake where people go fishing. No way. An emperor penguin? They absolutely love fish. I think that's pretty much all they eat. Wow, well, you got a pretty good fishing troop going on there. I wonder if you guys are going to catch some fish. Alright, I guess we'll wait and see. Alright, now you're at the lake. Time to go fishing. Yay! Alright, break out your poles. And fish. People are fishing, fishing. Oh, penguin got one. Oh, shark got one. Raccoon got one. And finally alligator got one. Or crocodile, whichever you are. We don't know. And now it's lunchtime. Everyone eats. Now everyone's happy. Now I guess it's time to go home and go take a nap. So back down the hill to our homes. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. First the penguin goes home. Then the crocodile goes home. And then the shark goes home. And last but not least, the raccoon goes home. The end.